Hello everyone, this is the installation video for the Poetic Guardian series case. After taking out the case, please make sure to peel off the plastic film on both sides of the front frame. Separate the two-piece case from the bottom right corner. Do not put the phone directly into the back case. Please wipe the screen clean before installation. Snap the phone into the front frame. Then enclose the front frame into the back case. Make sure buttons are lined up and edges are sealed with the front frame. Now the installation is complete. Enjoy the Poetic case.